6b question number 1. Question number 1 says express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So how can you solve it? Look, a 7 divided by 6a plus 4 divided by 9a. So what is the LCM of 6 and 9? That will be 18. So we will multiply this 6 by 3 and 9 by 2 to make same denominator. So if we multiply the denominator by 3, we need to multiply the numerator by 3 also. Denominator by 2, so we'll multiply the numerator by 2 also. So the denominator will be 18a. Now 3 7s are 21 plus 4 2s are 8. 21 plus 8 will be 29 divided by 18. So this is the answer of question number 1a. Now question number b. Question number b says 3 divided by 2b plus 1 divided by 3b minus 5 divided by 6b. Now what is the LCM of 2, 3, 6? That will be 6. So we need to multiply this one by 3, this one by 2. Okay. So here what will we get? The denominator will be 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Here this one will be b. 6b. Now what is the numerator? 3 3s are 9 plus 2 1s are 2 minus 5. Okay. So here the denominator, all denominator represents 6b because the LCM of 2b, 3b, 6b will be LCM will be 6b. Okay. So 3 3s are 9, 2 1s are 2 minus 5. So 9 plus 2, 11. 11 minus 5 will be 6. So 6 by 6b. After cancelling 6 and 6, answer will be 1 by 2. Simple answer. Now question number C. 1 by 3c minus 1 by 3d. So what is the LCM? LCM of 3c and 3d will be 3cd. So we'll multiply this one by d and we'll multiply this one by c. So both denominator represent 3cd because LCM of 3c and 3d will be 3c. Then what will be the numerator? 1 into d minus 1 into 6 d minus c by 3cd. Now number D. Number D says f minus 4h divided by 3k minus 2f minus 5h by 8k. So LCM of 3k and 8k will be 24k. So we'll multiply this one by 8 and this one by 3. So here this one multiplied by 3, here this one multiplied by 8. Now look, here both denominator will be 24k because LCM of 3k and 8k will be 24k. So what will be the numerator? 8f minus 8 4s are 32h minus 3 2s are 6f minus 7f plus 3 5s are 15h. Now 8 minus 6, 8f minus 6f will be 2f minus 32 plus 15 will be minus 7. So 2f minus 17h by 24k will be the final answer. Now E1E. E says 4a divided by x minus 3y plus here 3a divided by 3x minus 9y. So if we take 3 as a common factor, then we will get x minus 3y. Okay. So here both denominator. So here LCM of x minus 3y and 3 into x minus 3y will be 3 into x minus 3y. Okay. 3 into x minus 3y. So to convert both denominator as the same denominator, we will multiply this one by 3. Then both denominators should be same. So 3 into 4, 12a plus 3a. 12 plus 3, that will be 15a divided by 3 into x minus 3y. But our answer is not finished yet. We have to divide 15 by 3. 15 by 3, 5. So final answer will be 5a by x minus 3y. You should write the whole thing properly. Number F. Look at number F. Number F says p plus 3 divided by 2z plus p minus 1 by 6z minus 2p plus 1 divided by 3z. So what is the LCM of 2z, 6z, 3z? That will be 6z. Okay. So we need to multiply this one by 3 and this one by 2. Look. Now we need to calculate. So all denominators represent 6z. Now, numerator 3 into p, 3p plus 3 3s are 9 plus p minus 1 minus 2 into 2p, that is minus 2 2s are 4p minus a plus a minus 2 1s are 2. Now 3p plus p, 4p, 4p minus 4p is 0. Okay. 3p plus p, 4p minus 4p is 0. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 2 will be 6. 6 by 6z. After cancelling 6 and 6 from both numerator and denominator, we will get 1 by 10. And that is the solution of question number F.